reassuring.
No.
Really?
But we follow Father.
I love following. I love his.
What did you just say?
I love his.
No.
Okay.
I always thought in the future there would be TV, but hey, TV and V sound great.
The best show is Shiba Inu. That's Spanish for dogs.
Reggie.
Arrgh.
Dogs.
Dogs?
The bad blood slows and turns to good blood. You lose.
Don't die with dignity. Die with Reggie.
Well, that's reassuring. Hypothetically, what if some hypothetical fellow was to offer to take you to the hypothetical future?
I would love to see the hunters.
Well, what if the hunters weren't hypothetically attractive?
No.
You lose.
Okay.
My father loved to survive. But right now, my father, hypothetically, is our father. No more fighting. We will hide. I always thought in the future there would be pizza and TV, but hey, harmony between all living things sound great.
I'll be a boxer and you just be a boxer.
Reggie.
The box.
Arrgh.
No.
Damn you! A box!